Alright, here's a tutorial on how to do the pig ticky script. So, first you wanna click the totally safe, completely 100% trusted link from a completely trusted source. Trust me, there's no virus, there's no scam, there's no malware, there's no spy. Okay, so then you're gonna complete the work ink steps like shown. Then you gotta go to the thingy and copy it. Ticky. Okay, then you're gonna wanna find an executor online. Hopefully the one that you download isn't like some scammer virus. Or you could just open yours if you already have one. Sorry if I'm breathing too heavily because I was just ticky. Oh, and by the way, guys, I totally love Yumy. I totally love how he's like not currently threatening me as I'm typing this. He's not trying to kidnap me or kill me or tickle. Yeah, he's very tough. Okay, the next step, I think this is like step 6 or 7. Go to xeno. Go to the script manager thing. I forgot what it was called. I haven't used xeno in a while because Yumy's holding me hostage. But I mean, you guys weren't supposed to hear that. But anyways, just press Control and V to paste it in. Once you're in a script tab thingy in xeno, and if you're on mobile and you're using something like Delta, then just paste it in as you usually do. Then save it and then press and join the game. Make sure your account is in the client manager tab. If it's not, then you're out of luck, you ticky.